Yeah, have a good, like, happy be life. Hi guys, welcome to my live. If you don't have a camera on, Georgie, I'm gonna drop you. I don't see your face. It looks like you put the camera in your, like, butthole. It's black. Have a good life. Thank you. Next. Hold on. Oh my goodness. So many Middle Eastern men. Good thing is I.
Hi, Habibti.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, thank you. How are you?
Can you speak loud? Like, be more masculine. Be more manly. Speak loud and make your voice a little deeper.
That's what I was
Can you be manly, please? Don't grate your teeth. Your chin is already too long. Speak louder and speak more deep. Hi. Why do you sound like that? No, you sound like a woman. I want you to be a man. Can you be a man? Don't talk like this. Make your voice deep. Sister, I need you to, like, be like a brother for me. I'm not a lesbian. No, your breath smells. Bye. You've got to go. Bye, Miss Sella. Bye, sis. I don't like the whispery thing. It's a turn off. It means you lack confidence. Hi, everyone. Welcome to my live. Manly men only.
Hi.
Hi, Miss King. Please turn your camera on.
How are you?
I'm good.
You're
Can you turn your
very,
camera
very
on?
beautiful.
What?
And I love tall girl. How tall are you?
Oh, very good to hear that. Can you turn on the camera? Turn your camera on.
My language bad.
Miss King, can you turn on the camera?
No.
Okay, Miss King, I have to drop you. Have a good life. Thank you for trying.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Batwoman. Hi, Batwoman. How are you?
I'm not Batwoman. I'm Batman.
I remember you. How are you, sis?
I'm good. What about you? What's happening with you?
You sound so seductive tonight. Have you had a couple drinks, girl?
Never. I don't drink. But tell me,
Oh,
what's your background? Are you Russian?
no, I'm not.
What's your ethnicity? I was always curious for
Maybe
some
you can
reason.
figure it out. Try to put your mind on anything.
Well, you can't be me. I'm different. I'm Batman.
So I have a question for you. Do you have a big butt?
Do I have a big butt?
Oh, is that a customer? Is that one of your clients?
Do I have a big butt? Give me a second.
Go, girl. Oh, she had to leave. Her wife was calling. Just my luck. Batman with a big butt. Had to go. Mm. Can you imagine Auden if Batman had a big butt? How hot that would be. Oh my god. A superhero with a big ass? That would be my dream come true. I'm not that lucky. Alright, next up. Yeah, that would be hot. Batman with a big ass. Oh my god. Hi. Wow, you're so good looking. You're so good looking. Do you have a big butt? You're like a mechanic. You're so manly.
Oh, I guess station.
You work in the gas station? Can I see the whole outfit? Can I see the whole thing?
I guess in New Jersey.
Can you film me? Where in New Jersey are you?
I follow you Instagram, okay? Follow me.
Where in New
Baron
Jersey
Bigo.
are you? We're neighbors.